Okay, in this short video I'm just going to talk through when to change the roller. Basically, if you get the roller performing properly, once the roller needs to be replaced, you end up with leaking paint. Leaking paint, basically because of the amount of rolling is done, the nap flattens in here, causes a gap here between the housing, and you get more paint leaking. So when you want to change the roller, it's simply just pull the R pin, drop in a new roller, and put back the pins again. For an applicator that was left dry out and hadn't been washed, that's one reason, and the other reason I suppose you end up having to change the roller. You left your applicator with paint on it and didn't wash it. If you're using detail, I suppose, which we recommend, it's very easy to wash it and it doesn't dry out as quick. If you use Tailpainter or lime-based paint, you'll find that the oil-based paint will dry out much quicker than the water-based. Again, it's hard to put a time frame. My experience is about 48 hours in oil-based paint, but that depends on the heat and the temperature when you're using it. So that's why the oil-based becomes tricky. 48 hours, warmer weather might be less. But the good thing is, if the roller dries out, you forgot to wash it, whether it is oil or water, it's very easy to replace the roller, pull your pin and pop in a new roller. And so the only thing is, when you have if paint is dried on it, once you have the roller out, clean the inside of the housing with something like a screwdriver, not sharp as a knife. Clean out all the housing, clean both sides here, and clean out the groove here in the bottom. I'll probably go through that in another later video, but just to give you an idea, throw away your dry roller and pop in a new one. And once your housing has been cleaned correctly, it will perform as good as the first day.